Hello, it's Pero Media and welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'll be breaking down every code and how it looks on the browser about the HackMD landing page I just built with my HTML and tailwind CSS knowledge I've acquired so far. So this is our working file HackMD 2 because I built two. This is it. So this is our code. Let me close this. This is our code, the whole of our code. So this is our code. So starting this is the metadata. In the head we'll have the metadata and the title HackMD, yeah, and our CSS link and box icon link for some font and icon I took. Yeah. So this is the beginning of what we build. This is our nav. From here to here, this is our nav. Yeah, but I wrapped them in a div which I didn't style. It wasn't really necessary, but I just, maybe because I was rushing, I couldn't style. So this is our nav, and I'll show you how it looks on the browser. Let's come to our Firefox. So this is my push. So this is how it looks on the browser. This is the nav, the HackMD solution, pricing, about, lane, blog, sign in and get HackMD for free. When you over on it, you will notice an effect. Yeah. Then let's go to the next section. Build together with Markdown, real-time collaboration for team documentation in Markdown, and the input field, which you can write your company, you at your company. That is a placeholder I used to do that. And then a button, get HackMD free. Yeah, when you over on it, you notice the text become white, the background blue. So I will show you that on the code. So here it is. This is the part where we have that. This is the parts where we have that. This is the line of code I used to achieve that from here to here. So you see, let's go to the next. The video. This is the video. Let me refresh so you see the video. F5. You notice it's already playing, but you might, let me see. I don't know, it's not changing. Let's use this let's use Chrome instead of Firefox. So you'll see something will happen. Load. You notice the video is playing. Yeah, the video is playing. Notice something. So I'll show you this video. This is the line of code I used for the video. This is the video playing. Just this I used to implement the video. Yeah, just this line of code for the video. Then let's go to the next section. This is our next section. HackMD is my go-to ThinkPad. It's great. It's been great. It's been a great fit for everything from to-do list to Ethereum. So this line, this content. This is what I did. The line of code that I wrote for it. This content, the whole of this content. Yeah. The whole of this This is the line of code I wrote for it. Sorry, I opened my Chrome again. This is the line of code for it. Yeah. So if you notice there's an icon here, a box icon here, and another one here. So this box icon actually is a quote icon, which is this boat icon, this quote icon. So I had to position them to the various position where they are supposed to be. Yeah, these two. That is the quote icon I used for it, and the Ethereum image, which you can see here. This Ethereum image, like the Ethereum logo. Then this is text, Team Beko Ethereum Foundation. So let's go to the next section, which is this the hashtag and the accelerates innovation, foster community, and supercharge collaboration with your go-to markdown edition. So let me show you the line of code I wrote for it. Yeah, this is it. This is the line of code. This is the line of code I wrote for it. This is it. Then let's move to the next, which is this UML graphics. Visualize, research, or technical finding for your community. And there are buttons down here: doc, template, book mode, GitHub integration, UML graphic. Okay, UML graph profile. Yeah. So I will show you the line of code I use, and if you notice there is a background image, a background color. Yeah, this is a background color I put here. And let me show you the line of code which we use to achieve that in our code. So this is the line of code I used to achieve all of that. This is it. Yeah. So I had to style the button one after the other here. If you notice, you see border, all same styling. If it was in vanilla CSS, I could have just called the class and style all once, but in tailwind you do it inline. It's an inline styling, so we style it, which I still find very interesting. I don't find it stressful. It's still cool. I find this very, 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 very cool. And you see, this is where our first image came. The stuff at the top, this stuff, this this man here, yeah, this is where it came. The text, this is H1 AP, and let's say a button. Yeah, I'll call this a button, but without a border, or yeah, without a border. Then let's move to the next. This million build with HackMD's Markdown edition every day. So this is a list of sponsor with HackMD, but on the real web page it was actually moving like sideways. It's moving, but I think that is with JavaScript, and we haven't started JavaScript, so I just screenshotted it and used the image. So I'll show you how I implement this on my code. So let's go. This is the code I wrote for it. Yeah, this line of code is for it. This line of code, this is what I wrote for that section. This is on code here over on my VS code. And let's move to the next. The next we have, I think, is HackMD simple interface allow novice member to get started quickly. And the code, there's still codes here, and also a, what I call this, a sponsor, or yeah, with an image. With HackMD you can write code can write code on HackMD. It's very nice using HackMD for writers, and I will find HackMD very, very, very interesting. Very, very interesting for you. So let me show you the line of code I used to implement this. This is it from here to here. This is the line of code I use in implementing that particular part, which is this HackMD simple interface. Yeah, you see this code. Yeah, this code, I brought it back and I position it. I position them again to the right place they are supposed to be. So let's see, let's go to the next. Okay, the next we have is this: join the global movement. This is an H1 I styled, and a P, and also a button here. So these are cards. These are cards that shows users, team, country represented, and notes created. Whoa, 7.7 million. We'll make this by the grace of God. We'll create more notes. It will shoot. So let me show you the line of code I use in implementing that. Oh, sorry, I still open this my Firefox. I'm sorry about that. So this is the line of code I used to implement that from year to year. Yeah, from year to year, this is the line of code I use for that particular section. Yeah, this is the line of code. As you can see, there is a text color. There is the arrow for the button. Yeah, there's a button there. So let's go to the next section. This get started for free. When you over, you see there's an effect. There's an effect when you over. So this is a line of code I used to achieve that particular place. Let me see. Yeah, this is line of code for it. This is the line of code for it. I used to achieve that. So the next on our code is our footer. So this is our footer. If you notice our footer, there's a logo, there's a span. I use span for this. You can use each one to style. These are lists, list, and also here you have a drop down button that allows you to pick Chinese. I think this is old Chinese and simplified or something. So here is a social media link to HackMD, and let me show you the code for our footer. So this is our footer. Our footer code is a bit long. Yeah, this is our footer. I'm sorry, my PC is kind of old. Will I say that? So this is our footer. This is what we use to get our footer. So this is our footer on the web. This is how it looks like. So thank you guys for watching my presentation on how I built HackMD with my HTML and tailwind CSS knowledge. Thank you guys, and see you on the next video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, because soon I'll start teaching or making videos to guide on programming, from the basics, from HTML down to everything I've learned. Thank you guys. Stay blessed.